Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by auditing what you already own: profiles, portfolio, and audience list, so you know where to act first. Identify 3 core strengths and 2 target audiences, then prioritize platforms where those people spend time. Once done, claim a consistent handle and replace any low-quality images or vague bios. This improves recognition and trust immediately. Make sure to add one measurable goal, like gaining 100 engaged followers in 30 days, because clarity drives daily. Now you create a signature content system that proves your value. Pick one recurring series that showcases a core skill and formats you enjoy. Plan and batch 6 pieces, short social clips, 1 in-depth post, and 1 repurposed asset to maintain momentum. Once published, optimize captions and calls to action so viewers know the next step. That's how attention converts to opportunities. Make sure to test headlines and times, because small tweaks often multiply reach and lead flow. Finish by polishing customer touchpoints. Add 5 testimonials, a clean portfolio, and a clear contact path so people can hire or refer you. Then launch a steady schedule with automation and a 1-hour weekly review to iterate on what's working. If results are slow, diagnose. /B test headlines, visuals, and offers, and change one variable at a time. That isolates impact. Finally, be patient. Consistent signals build reputation, and small, repeated improvements compound into a stronger personal brand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.